Hi, I'm Angela Clark and I'm an APQS educator. I want to talk to you about 5 things that were important to me when I bought my first long arm. The first one is the warranty. APQS has a lifetime warranty, so I wasn't worried about my machine. If anything happened to it, I knew it was going to be okay. My second thing is I wanted to make sure that I got a good education, and I got a free class at my local APQS dealer, so I knew how to use my long arm. APQS machines are built in the United States, which was also very important to me. I wanted a machine that was built in the United States, and we are built in Carroll, Iowa. I needed to make sure that the machine that I bought and the size frame that I was buying at that point would fit into the house. And I got to choose what size frame I wanted, and it didn't cost me any extra to get a different size frame. And then the last thing that was important to me was whether or not I could run a business on my long arm. I did plan to run a business when I started, and you kind of have to make the choice if you're going to run a business or if you're going to just quilt for your friends, right? Because all of my friends are quilters. I'm sure that yours are too, and I was going to be quilting for them either way.